Hello guys, today I made $2,350 and I took 4 trades in a row. This was crazy. Today I'm gonna give you a little briefcase to like live trade recap. I think this video is going to help you too much because at the end of the day, it is very easy. You just need to stay on your strategy, alright? That's what you all gotta do. So let's jump into the charts. All right, this is all these 4 trades. So where should I start? Normally, and the funny thing is normally, like today there was PMI news, so I wasn't looking for any trades. I was just looking charts, like drinking my coffee. Like I wasn't planning to take any trades, but like I saw those opportunities and I said, even if the Trump is fucking dying, I cannot miss those opportunities. Then I was like found myself in a part of the trading. All right, so let's start. Um, let's jump into the 1 hour. All right, with the news. So we at like my daily bias, it was bearish. All right, before, of course it was before that week, like before that candle. All right, because we were um yes we, where yes, right here we had a liquidity sweep, so I was looking for bearish trades. All right, so short trades I mean. But because of the news, I didn't take any at the first I didn't take any short trades because of the news, because I was waiting for the effects of the news was disappear. So whatever, after the news is done, we were had a liquidity sweep to the bullish side in 1 hour time frame. Then I'm jump into the 5 minute. I'm closing decisions. So what do we see here? We had a liquidity sweep with this point. Our 1 hour candle was closed as a shape of liquidity sweep to the bullish side. So what was I looking for? I was looking for bullish displacement. I was looking for break of structure. So with this candle right here, we had a break of structure. That's where wait, yeah, that's where I took my first trade. All right, my take profit was this liquidity right here, and I got stopped out. Like I got take profit at here, and yeah, my stop loss was on this liquidity and the take profit on here. You know this point, like I talk a lot of about where you should put your take profit, where you should put your stop loss. I'm not gonna like talk too much about this because in my every video, no matter what, I talk about it. So you must know this. And for my second trade, we jump into the here. We had a price action, all right, like this. And with this week, with this huge, I'm sorry, yeah, with this huge week, we had a potential break of structure. So what was I looking for? We have an area of interest right here. You see, as you guys can see. So with this week, we had a break of structure. So what was I looking for? We had an area of interest on here. So the thing that I was looking for, a rejection. I wanted to see a rejection at the break. So you can also call this area is breaker block, because we also have a break of structure and we instantly got rejected at this area. So you can call this area as a breaker block. So as soon as I see the rejections in this area, I entered another trade. All right, and where did I put my, because since we were still in bullish trend, I was trying to catch small move. All right, So where did I put my take profit? My take profit was this previous low. You see, it's like that easy. When you put your take profit, you put your previous high. When you put your stop loss, you put your previous low. That's how this shit works. All right. And so if we come to the our third trade, we have a lot of trades today. Let's jump into the 50-minute time frame. So you see, we have a fair value gap right here, 15-minute fair value gap. So what was I looking for? Since our daily bias was still bullish because of this 1 hour candle closed as a shape of liquidity sweep. So I was planning to take, or we should take the London highs, which is here by the way. I was planning to take like price definitely had to take those London highs, all right? Because if our bias is bullish, we gotta take the highs. That's how it works, all right? And then we had a 50-minute fair value gap. I was waiting for a price to respect to that fair value gap, right? And I jump into the 5-minute time frame, and you see as soon as we touch the fair value gap, we got instant rejections, right? And also, wait, and also if we jump into the 1 minute time frame, you can see a break of structure with this candle right here. So what do we have? We have a 15-minute fair value gap, which is great. We have a bullish displacement, and we have a break of structure, and our bias is bullish. So we all we had all the confidences to take a trade. All right, I even posted this trade before I even took the trade. Like, look, like just go and follow my TikTok because I cannot show you on here. I think no, you can see it, right? Wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait, yeah, because I was so sure. I said, if I also win this trade, you guys gotta tell me that I'm market maker. Otherwise, I'm gonna touch you, Timmy. That's what I said. And what happens? I took take profit. So now I will have to touch you. All right, whatever. So where did I put my take profit? Guess it? Guess it? Yes, it's the London highs, bitch. That's where I put my take profit because our bias was bullish. If we are bullish, we have to take those highs. Got it? Got it? Then we come to our fourth trade. I wasn't stopping. Like, someone gotta stop me, man. I was even planning to take this this trade with this break of structure, pointing, targeting this lows. I was even thinking about to take this trade, but I just had to stop myself because otherwise, my broker has a high chance to understand that I'm market maker, but I don't want it to happen. So whatever. Um, why did I take this fourth trade? So you see this Asia. Wait, sorry. Yeah, this Asia lows was also our all-time high area, right? So if we jump into the 1 hour, you will see it better. You see, this was our all-time high. And what do we see here? We were having rejections. And what these rejections were creating, it were creating a liquidity sweep. Boom, bomboclat. Then I suddenly jump into the 5 minutes. Then I was looking for little catch, little catch, right? So I was looking to catch trades in 1 minute time frame because like I told you, I was looking for little moves, all right, that I could like make 300 or 400, something like that, right? Then what do like? It's like I took four trades in a row, and literally they all literally like same strategy. Then what do we see? We have a structure point right here. We have a lot of rejections because we were creating a liquidity sweep. Then what happened? Boom, break of structure, breaker block, boom. What did we get? We get the previous lows. If you still can't manage to make money, it's 99% it's because of your psychology. Cause you see, I literally won four trades in a row with the same fucking strategy. Come on, man. You gotta like what kind of people like I still see some people they say, "Oh, I tried supply and demand strategy. I tried low resistance strategy. I tried like big black cog strategy." No, man. If you don't have the right mindset, you cannot be profitable cuz I am not the smartest day trader alive. I'm just a normal guy. Like I'm trying to be normal at least. Like all you gotta focus on like all the thing that you gotta focus is your mindset, is your psychology. Because even if I give you my brain right now, you won't be profitable because we don't have the same psychology. We don't have the mindset. We don't have the same mindset. So this is your homework. Like don't panic. Even if you lose a trade today, like until the day that you die, the market will still keep going for you. All right? Today, you might take a lose, but it's not a problem. Tomorrow, you will work harder, then you will get wins. Imagine that you didn't get win. You lost 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 100 trades in a row. You lost it. It is still okay. It is still no problem. Because if the trading was easy, everyone would do that. But only 1% can be profitable in day trading. So I want you to be in that 1%. Believe me, I really want that because I feel alone right here. Yo, guys. At the end of the day, I made $2,350. I wish you guys in the future, you guys all will be able to make much more money than I do right now. I really wish that. But please, 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 please follow what I say. Believe me, I'm not lying to you. Just follow what I said, and at the end of the day, you will be profitable. Believe me. I love you guys. This was my live trading recap, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.